You are watching the Food Channel. And now, singles, it's time for Cooking for One with Andrea Hart.
Hello, singles. Welcome to Cooking for One, the show aimed at making cooking alone, a meal you'll eat alone, a little less unnerving. Today's visiting studio audience is the Middleburg Singles Tap Dancing Club. Welcome. Oh, any dance where you don't need a partner is okay by me. Oh, yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, as we all know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and that can be a rough holiday for singles. Along with pretty much every other holiday. So, I'd like to show you today how to make a Valentine's Day supper for one. Doesn't that sound romantic? Because if I don't love me, who will? Who? No, seriously, who? I haven't found him yet. Do you hear? Do you run? No, he's not. All right, well, let's get started. Every Valentine's Day morning, I like to buy myself a single red rose. And I don't think that's sad. Okay, well, let's talk food. I've got a wonderful recipe for Thai satay. That's hot chicken on bamboo skewers covered in a spicy peanut sauce. But that requires shopping for a lot of ingredients. And if you're like me, you'd rather pull out your own toenails than go shopping at a grocery store where you're going to see all the happy couples giggling and holding hands, talking in French. So you'll just want to use whatever in your pantry. So let's see what I've got here today. I've got, peanut butter. Hey, that's a good start. And, good news, sugar corn pops. So, we'll just throw a little in there. And we'll add a little water. And, voila! Thai satay. Who needs a lover when you've got all this? Steve? Hold on 1 second. Steve, is it? Oh. No, yeah. I'll make the payment by Monday. I'm sorry. It wasn't him. Okay, what was I gonna do next? So hard to concentrate over the sound of my biological clock ticking. I don't know how many more times I can hit the snooze bar on that sucker, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah, I was up to dessert. Yeah, we're gonna make brownies, you know? Because who cares if you get fat? No one's seen me in my underwear in 5 years. All right, shut up! All right, brown, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and eat the mix, because it really tastes just as good, so I don't... You have to be careful, though. You have to time your breathing. Otherwise you choke on the brownie dust, and you could die tonight, and no one would find you for a week. Not that they'd look. Why can't I find someone? My sister's a 400-pound hunchback. She found a husband. I saw 2 midgets at the mall. A midget found another midget. Why can't someone find me? I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's show. I'd like to thank you all for joining me. And I'd like to end my Valentine's Day with a ritual every year. And, hi, 911. Yeah, life isn't worth living. I'm really gonna do it this time. This way you're insured to have a date for Valentine's Day. Let's just hope the paramedic's cute. Happy Hearts Day!
Join Andrea Hart tomorrow on Cooking for One when she'll be making her famous gazpacho soup for singles.